Mm. Hey guys, it's
Hush.
Tails, and I'm here with Amy and Knuckles.
Rouge
Yeah.
Volter, yo.
Oh.
What?
And we're in Don't
Man, my
Press the
cuffs, man, my
Button.
cuffs.
Let's go. Yeah, my cuffs are weird. Amy's are
Me
normal,
too.
but it looks weird with the animation.
Oh!
Oh crap!
What?
Ow!
Oh.
We gotta run! Yo, I got so much loot on me. I think we're chilling.
I need that.
Money. Money.
Guys, watch out!
Cake. We lived.
Okay. Now, why are we
Look, I'm my
invisible?
dad.
Stop.
Uh-oh.
Lava spit?
Weave.
I got this, trust.
Weave. Weave.
You're gonna die. Oh my
Weave.
god, I'm actually gonna die.
Weave. Weave.
What?
Weave.
Yeah, that's
Weave.
not
My
nice.
My
Weave.
leg.
Weave. Weave.
I'm actually.
Weave. 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 Weave.
Dang.
Ah.
I'm gonna fight.
Oh
Oh
crap!
my god.
Wait, this is some nostalgic music, bro.
I can't get up. Oh my god.
I should
Amy!
use this.
We both missed the jump.
Yeah.
No, I fell!
you
Oh, okay.
Oh, I lived. Okay.
There we go. Oh my
up?
god.
Back into Sonic X.
Oh my god.
We're in Gojo's.
Oh my god.
We're going back to find the Chaos Emeralds back in Sonic X.
I see the space colony arc.
I'm at the end of the horizon. Oh, okay.
We saved the island.
Okay, bet.
Guys, if we look away,
This is what Sonic would cheat in.
Yeah, thank God he's not here, bro.
let's two fight each other. You need to fight each other first.
I got a gun. Pew. Yo, Joe. Joe, that did not. Yo, what? Why did that do so much damage, bro?
The
Yeah, bro, chill out.
power of the sword. What?
Oh no!
Come on, Amy, let's do this.
Touch on my leg. Hold on.
Like, come on, Amy. Run it. What? What?
You were low health. What do you expect?
What?
Oh.
I had more. I was lower health than you, and I still won. What do you mean?
Again?
Because you're cheating.
No, I'm not.
I fell.
Not you. Haha.
I'm so dead.
No, you're not.
Let me cook, guys.
Goes hurry.
Tails?
I got
Tails!
this. Why did that actually scare me?
Yo, look at your health.
Bro, I got jump scared, bro. I hate you. Dang it, it was a lie.
Oh.
This laser tag or something?
We're not.
Oh,
no, I
is.
want
Oh.
a rematch, Amy.
No. No.
Knuckles.
Me and Dylan's
Can we just shoot through the wall?
Yeah. Watch this. 360. I missed it.
Nice.
You retard.
Oh god, that was hitting.
Knuckles, you're a worthy opponent. Die. Dang
Aw.
it.
Me and Dylan both shot each other.
Yeah. Yay!
Okay, what the hell?
What? Oh.
Oh, gotta go fast.
I
Feels
thought
like
it
that
was
one
your
game
fault.
we played.
Oh, speedrun
Speedrun
4.
4. I love that game when I was younger.
Real or real?
What you fall? I'm gonna actually hurt myself.
I almost fell.
Me too.
Me as
I
well.
love speedrun.
I can increase my speed. Whee.
Give me one we did.
Round 2. I got this.
We're both probably gonna die. Oh, that's okay. I already did it anyway. Cause you got this. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yeah, you did it.
Yo, my God, bro.
That was my victory scream, bro. Find the correct. Got you.
Wee.
bro.
Ah.
I don't think that was the correct. Oh, we have to remember. I found it. Big brain moment.
Why did you scream as if you saw something so horrifying?
Bro, that was my victory scream, bro. I did it twice. Oh yeah.
I'm getting Sally.exe vibes.
Easy.
I don't like this. I'm scared.
What are you doing?
I got this, Knuckles.
What's up?
Look at me and Amy, bro.
Man, this is.
What am I-
Why am I a brokey, bro?
We gotta go.
Ah!
Knuckles! Knuckles! Knuckles, I'll avenge you.
You got me killed, bro.
No, I did not. You jumped to it. Ah!
You made the platform fall underneath me.
No, that was Amy. She was the death thingy.
Oh,
Oh.
okay. That was sick.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
What the?
You're
Is this
so-
just because I'm black? What the fuck?
Oh,
Oh. Oh my. Is.
not funny. Oh,
My God, dude.
What is this?
ah,
I will win. Trust.
I'm too
I
slow.
got this trust.
Ah, I'm too slow at this.
What?
Only
Mine.
got one.
No.
No.
Mine.
This is mine.
I'm barely missing it, dude. The perspective and my angle is so messed up. There you go.
Oh my God.
Bingo. Bingo. Oh, I only got 5.
Let's go.
Okay.
I got 8. Cause I am 8.
Good job. True. Oh,
Oh my God! What happened to 8?
What happened to you guys?
Yeah. What? Ew.
Bro, Tails became a heart with a mustache, and Amy's just bald.
What? Ew.
No
What
face.
happened to us? Oh.
Why am I the
Let's
only
go.
normal one?
Oh my God!
Your face.
Yeah.
Your face, bro. It's so big.
again?
Oh my God, we look hideous, dude.
Click
Again?
no, click no. Click no. We never know.
Oh.
Figure it. I'm
Yo,
setting.
I
I
I'm
got
killing
candy.
myself, bro.
Okay,
Oh.
there you go.
My head! What's
Oh.
happening to my
Wait.
head? Bro?
Oh wait, you're like
Bang.
Dread. Since you're a pirate?
Oh. Actually, yeah, that's cool.
Get
What?
away!
What the fuck?
No, you have
Who
to
is
be
it?
at the top of the hill to
Ah,
win. Yeah. No!
did you just do a spin dash? What?
Yo, spin dash. Me and Amy are spin dashing, bro. Spin dash. Ow!
What is
Spin
happening?
dash. Oh my god, dude. No. Oh, whoa, why did I get? No, please. I need this.
No. Oh,
Let's go.
Ah, you try hard.
hey. Nice.
No.
Stop it. Oh, picture.
Yo,
Me and Tails were so offside.
My picture now.
yo.
Oh, we can't out the way.
I got. Take a picture. Take a picture.
Oh
Take a
my
picture of that, bro.
I did.
Oh my god, dude.
What
We're taking a
did you
picture
do?
of a picture
The fuck?
Oh,
now. Oh,
Why is this Halloween themed? What the heck?
Mama.
that's a good
Hey,
question.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
Skeleton noises.
I'm gonna actually die. Sins.
What the?
Huh? Ew.
Oh my god, it's Maria!
Stop.
No.
Don't say
Oh.
Maria. That's rude.
That's alright. This is easy, dude.
You're gonna say that, and then we're all gonna die.
No, it's alright. This is easy. Excuse me.
Are they kidding?
This.
Suddenly, you're the one that's burping, apparently.
Shut up.
Oh, that says you.
This is easy.
Ah!
Easy. Yo, you might want to reset. Your head's a little big, bro.
For real, bro. It's a Madden one.
Bro, I'm a pirate.
Hello?
What
get
will I
drugged?
look like now?
What was that?
No.
What?
Oh.
Oh, we're gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh crap.
Oh, I'm safe.
Oh no.
Oh no. Ah! I'm blood.
Oh wait. Oh.
Almost died.
Oh my god, that's going really
Oh
fast.
crap. Yeah, dude.
No, you almost died. Epic.
Oh, let's
Okay,
go.
That was easy.
Yes.
Big head.
Oh, I'm actually gonna die.
Dude, I
What
was
was
not
that?
looking. I was not looking, bro.
Ah!
No. We don't talk about that.
We don't talk about Bruno.
I knew someone was gonna say that.
I almost fell. I didn't know I had to go backwards.
Did you
Me
get
neither.
points?
Yeah,
Ah.
I got 2.
No, I missed
Oh my
the
God,
last
Tails,
jump.
Sorry.
Yo, I low-key
I feel
suck
so
at
sorry
this
for you.
game, bro.
No, you don't. It's okay. God.
Yo, my
Tails, he doesn't deserve this whatsoever.
yo, my obby skills are not it today, bro.
Somehow Melody's in the lead. That's awesome.
Because I've been playing Obby since I was 11. or 10, I don't know. I'm actually not gonna
How long
make
is this gonna go for, bro?
Look at the timer, brother. And
Ah, Tails!
oh, I
Oh,
just
I
saw
won.
Amy
Oh, yes,
just
you
die. Oh,
Wait,
oh,
I had
Wee.
5.
I won.
What? That's
Mine.
confusing. I had 5 too. What the heck? Ah!
We're classic.
Oh my god, I'm so tiny.
Yeah, I'm taller.
Why am I so tiny? Ah!
You're the small one. What the?
Hello? Oh, I got
What?
a
Make the
Glock
most
in my
cut noise.
Rari. Pew.
Oh. I didn't know what that was.
Oh, I missed. Oh, you like young. Oh, I shot him. I'm low-key selling right now.
No. Yes, I still got him.
No.
It's easy on mobile.
I want to finish my food. Hurry up.
No. I didn't. Oh, dang it. Hit me one.
It was easy on mobile.
Well, that makes sense, I guess.
Oh my god, again! I'm bad again!
Yes, I'm a pirate.
If we die, I'm gonna kill myself.
Don't worry, guys. We'll get free
No.
candy. Oh my god, it's a ghost! Oh,
Uh-oh, run.
No!
yo, I low-key
Oh.
suck at. Yo, I suck at. Oh, I'm not ugly.
My leg! You saved my leg!
Oh.
You
Not
got
fair, that
this,
is not fair.
Knuckles. You got this.
Huh.
Got my leg. I
Oh.
hate myself.
Hey, guys.
At least we're not bald anymore, Tails.
Yep.
I blame my leg. I hate my life.
Did not know he was going to be coming that way.
Let that echidna cook.
Tails, what was
Yeah.
that gut-wrenching scream, bro? Was it
Yo,
that
it was a
scary?
ghost. It spooked me, gang-a-lang. Yo, it was a spoopy little ghost. Oh, it's me.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's me.
You want some Sea Dogs melody?
Okay,
Oh,
bro.
I'm gonna actually die.
Ah.
Oh,
Knuckles.
I can't get through. Are you gonna do it? Nah.
No, come on, come on. No, 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 come on.
Nah, you're actually
Don't
gonna
be
kill
shy.
me. Tails
No,
can
don't
do
be
it,
shy.
bro.
Don't be shy. Come on, go.
I can do it with the lava, you know.
Come on, go.
Tails, you know I can do it with the lava, right?
You got this. Come on, just go. You know, you're gonna run out of time and lose either way.
Well, I can do it with the lava. Just do it, bro.
No, come on. Fine, whatever.
I gotta wait.
Do, 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 do.
Now you really want to crush me, don't you?
Yes, go.
No.
Please.
You want me to lose that bad?
Yes,
Unless you
come on.
both lose, and that's fair.
Yeah.
No,
So
if the
Tails,
timer-
no waiting.
If the timer
No
runs out, I
waiting,
win
Tails, I'm
automatically.
waiting.
Oh, it's got hey! Brock! I did not know it does that. That's funny.
What the heck? Tails, I can you. You're making me wait. Oh! Oh!
Oh my.
Tornado.
Man, that music is so nostalgic.
Yes.
Ah! Well, ah! Ah!
Oh, Knuckles!
Real life events over here, guys. Real life events.
Oh,
my God.
whoa. The way you guys just like.
How am I living? What the heck? Yo, I lived twice. That's funny.
Oh crap.
What the? What is that?
I'm a
Hello?
pirate.
Recognize that face from anything.
Get your butt again. Okay, without your big head out the way, Knuckles. Help!
We're rich.
Enough with the money. You ruined it.
Ooh, it's
Why am I
peak.
all the way so far on the edge? Because it's you.
Ooh, it's peak. Whoa!
I swear I moved. No fair. Can I just stay in the middle? Okay, whatever.
Oh my god, again?
Watch us get on. Poor bro.
I will win this time, trust.
Don't follow me, bro. Go your own way.
You were following me.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to find my own way.
I keep going the same way. What am I doing? Yo, I'm actually about to tweak, bro. Where are you all at? I see a certain pink hedgehog. Oh!
Ah!
Why did y'all
That was
fight
fun.
with each other, bro?
It was
You
epic.
see?
It was following me.
No, I was hiding there and you just decided to hide with me.
No. Uh-uh.
Oh, we have to collect logs.
We gotta make it fast, boys. Come on, boys. We gotta make it fast. Why am I sounding like I'm in Fortnite?
Okay, bro.
Where we dropping, boys?
Alright.
Mine.
Dun 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 dun.
I almost saw you fall there.
Guys, we gotta hurry, bro. Hurry, epic.
Yo,
So
Knuckles,
I gotta drink my drink real quick.
Knuckles, bro.
Wait, we're not gonna make it.
No, we got this, trust.
Uh-huh.
Please! Bro, it did not want to place. It made me a little mad.
Come on, one more. We got this, one more.
Place, you stupid log! Let's go. Well, that was annoying. Oh
What?
my god.
Okay, well, it's easy.
I am not doing this again.
Bro, oh god.
Chill.
Oh god dang it.
It didn't work.
Wait, maybe we have to let her get to
Meow.
the... Wait, what's happening now?
Oh
Alright,
yeah,
whatever.
whatever you let them. Hey, me.
What? You were in my way. Are you trying to kill me?
You just knocked them over.
So you all wanted to make me do this by myself? You guys are not.
You gotta. Hey yo, stop making out with me, bro. Ah!
Yo!
Oh, tails. Oh.
Look, guys, I got my fly ability. Now I'm really Tails.
He's hacking.
We did it, guys.
What will it do it to me now? What? I just spawned in the void for some reason.
Oh.
Yo. Lend in the chat, bro. That's Gordon Ramsay. Yo, are you okay?
No drunk drivers. I was like a drunk
This
flyer,
cake is gonna
bro.
be a lie. I knew it.
Oh, let me try the cake.
This has gotta be racist. I win before the game even started.
Yo, this is way too funny, dude.
Where did Amy go? Oh, she's already dead.
How did she already die?
Whee. Because you like flinged her when, and then she didn't respawn when the game happened.
Hey, Amy.
Oh my god.
Hey, Amy, what's up? With the sound of my fingers, I'm gonna kill you quick.
How did you win? What?
You're abusing a command skills.
Sorry, it was too funny, bro. I had just had to try it.
I'm not doing that. This is lame.
Bro, I didn't know with the game.
Oh, 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 Knuckles.
Oh, I almost died.
Wait, can I do that to myself? Yes, I can. Oh my god. Knuckles, we have to
The building is
escape.
burning. We gotta get out of here.
We gotta escape, Knuckles. Where's...
Died.
Down here.
Yes.
Ah!
Knuckles! Knuckles, we're so dead, bro. Wait, where do we go? Oh,
Wait.
we
Oh,
did
I'm
it!
already outside. Help.
How'd you get already outside? What the
You
heck?
cheater!
What?
We were
Explode!
up there. Ah!
Ew. Never did that ever again.
My main goal is to blow up.
What?
Dang it. Oh, it worked! Me blowing up got the bomb off the map. Easy.
I pushed it up myself.
Oh.
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 We. Ah!
Oh my god.
Stop it. Get some help.
Make a fly?
Whee! Ah! Yo, I'm not okay. What is happening? Oh, that's not nice. Oh! What did I just do? I'm so confused. Oh, I think I accidentally flung myself, that's what.
Guys, I'm literally dying. Please, I'm literally crying over here. What the heck? I was just flying.
Easy on.
Yeah, are you gonna
Oh.
complete it? Ow.
Dang it. Dude, so close. You got this, Knuckles. There, I'm helping him. You got this, Knuckles. Woo! I'm helping. Wait, where'd he go? Oh. You got this, Knuckles.
I need it twice.
No! Yeah, I'm out of here.
What the?
Wee. Might as well kill Knuckles since he won't be doing
Oh,
anything.
Pig's still living. Oh, never mind.
You got this, Amy. Oh! What the heck? Don't worry, I'll help you, Amy. I'll help you.
Stop!
Oh, Knuckles!
Stand in the corner.
Oh,
Damn.
Amy! Oh,
What, bruh. Bills, I blame you.
that's alright.
Now I can't play the game, bruh. Oh, you.
Wait, what?
Oh, we're like,
Oh.
Kills do not
Oh,
even
let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
What? I swear I didn't.
Who died?
What?
Yo, how did you guys already die?
The game is gay.
Easy.
What in the Squid Game, bro? Epic. What?
Money,
Guys, I
money,
can't
money.
with laughing anymore.
Oh my god, again?
Again? Are you for real?
I got this time. I won't get jump scared like last time.
Uh-huh.
Easy.
Can you stop being rude? Who are you, bro? Right, I blame it on you. Okay, I lived.
Hey. Ah! Oh. Wee. Oh, crap. I think it worked.
Shut
Oh.
up, bro.
What's in
I'm
the
actually gonna
house?
cry.
Oh,
Oh,
Knuckles. No. Hiya.
wait, Tails. What happened to your hand?
Wait, what?
I'll send
That's
you a
our
screenshot
tribute.
later.
Where'd
What
your
is
leg
that?
go?
That's
Funny.
obviously 30, guys.
Shut up.
Oh, why is your leg right here?
And
do
your
you
arm
mean?
and your hair. What the frick?
I'm normal, guys.
I'm showing a screenshot.
What? This is so.
What?
Tails, I'm gonna
It,
beat you up if you keep
it
playing me,
has
bro.
to be a fair 1v1. Oh,
It's
crap.
not
Dang, bro.
possible.
Yo, chill.
He's tired of being racist. He's tired of being in the racism.
Yo, chill.
He's tired of being in the segregation.
Oh, why are they throwing so high?
Are you
Why?
aiming it?
He's being tired of the segregation.
No,
Let's go!
that did not hit me.
The segregation is crazy. Tails, can you just reset, bro? Again?
Again? Let's go.
Tails, just don't stand there and wait, okay? Just do it.
Go!
Tails, just do
What?
it.
No!
Tails!
I have to win! What do you mean?
Tails, it's gonna come to us.
Exactly, so go!
No, you're being annoying.
Knuckles, you gonna go? Oh, I was gonna say, there's no way you lived that. I was gonna say.
Tails, I hate you. Oh my god.
Come on, Knuckles.
My throat hurts from all that
What
laughing.
is this?
Just go, Epic.
Yeah, go, Knuckles. Dang it.
You know
Nice.
there's gonna be a red
Oh, no.
thing
Ah.
coming
Oh,
through?
Knuckles, are we serious? Are we
I
serious?
was
Are we
trying to
doing-
jump over it, and it
Knuckles,
still
bro.
Yo,
kills
you
from the
just
top.
reset, bro. I don't want to see your bald head.
Oh! No, no.
Not me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I
He's too fast. I won't be able to catch him.
No. Tails, reset real quick. Reset.
Why?
Tails, reset.
Yeah, your leg's in the ground, bro.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
You're tweaking. Well,
Yes, it is. This again, die.
I died, bro. Come on, not fair.
Yeah. Oh. That did not hit me.
Why'd
Just
you
reset, bro.
just stand there, bro?
Cause you're an idiot with powers.
We dead ass.
Are we serious right now?
Knuckles. Oh. No, my earbud fell on my ear. There's just Knuckles, bro. Why are you like tweaking out? What?
Yeah.
Wait, did I score my own goal?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, you were done.
Oh. I kinda got confused. Oh. Yo. No. What happened to him, bro? Oh my god.
You know what?
That's
myself.
you know what? That's the end of the video. Bye guys.